Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Now I am going to discuss that multiple submultiple angles level 2 first problem. Students, see the question what they are given. 1 by cos 290 degrees plus 1 by root 3 sin 250 degrees. Here cos 290 sin 250, two different values are there. What is cos 290? 290 we can write 270 plus 20. 270 plus theta, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Cos is positive, but at 270 cos is going to change sine 20 degrees. Now sine 250 degrees. 250, how to write, students? That is 270 minus 20 degrees. Okay, 270 minus theta, third quadrant, sine is negative. Sine 270, conversion is there or not? We get cos 20 degrees. Now, go to the problem. What they are given? Lambda, that is equal to, right hand side lambda is there or not? 1 divided by cos 290, that is sine 20 degrees. 1 divided by root 3 into sine 250, that is minus cos 20 degrees. Students, all of you understood? Now, take the LCM. What is the LCM here? Root 3 into sine 20 degrees cos 20 degrees. Here sine 20 is there. Now multiply with root 3 cos 20 minus, here root 3 cos 20 is there. What is the missing? Sine 20 degrees. I think all of you understood now. Now see the numerator. So I am going to do like this, multiplying 2, dividing 2, root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus, dividing 2 here also sine 20. Students, finally in numerator observe that what I am done, multiplying 2, dividing 2. In denominator, dividing 2 and multiplying 2. 2 sine 20 cos 20. Why I am done in denominator means sine theta cos theta, there is no formula. 2 sine theta cos theta sine 2 theta, formula is there or not? Now root 3 by 2 is there in the denominator, sent to numerator, it is overall 4 by root 3, and denominator observe that 2 sine 20 cos 20 sine 2 into 20. So denominator I am converted in terms of sine, same as in the numerator also convert in terms of sine only. Okay, so now root 3 by 2 means I am going to write sine 60 degrees cos 20 minus, already sine is there, 1 by 2 I am writing cos 60 sine 20. Students, observe the numerator, that is in the form of sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is the formula? Sine of A minus B or not? Sine 60 minus 20 degrees. 60 minus 20, how much? 40 or not? And denominator 2 into 20, 40. So numerator sine 40, denominator sine 40 is going to cancel. Now what is the final answer? 4 by root 3. This is only lambda value. Lambda is equal to 4 by root 3. But what they are asking? 3 lambda square. So lambda is equal to 4 by root 3. Do that squaring on both sides. Lambda square is equal to 16 by 3. 3 lambda square is equal to 16. This is the answer. Students, which option is correct? First option is correct. After completion of this is the next step. Students, observe that second question. This is important model. Here, already we know that formula. Cot A plus tan A, that is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. In previous class, already we are explained this proof. So remember it. Now, here tan 9 degrees. Tan 9 degrees. And last term, see that tan 81 is there. Tan 81. These two take 1 unit. Minus. Middle terms take minus common. Tan 27 degrees plus tan 63 degrees. 63 degrees. Students, tan 81 how much? That is cot 9 only. How to write? 81 means that is tan 90 minus 9 degrees only. Similarly, second term tan 27 plus tan 63. 63 we can write 90 minus 27. Okay. Now this is tan 9 degrees. Tan 90 minus 9. 90 minus theta first quadrant. At 90 tan is going to change. Cot, we get cot 9 degrees. Minus tan 27 degrees plus cot 27 degrees. Students, observe this shortcut formula. Tan A plus cot A, 2 cosecant 2A. That means 2 cosecant 2A, 2 into 9, 18 degrees, minus 2 cosecant 27 into 2, 54 degrees. Cosecant 18 means we know that is 1 by sine 18 degrees. Yes or no? And cosecant 54 means 1 by sine 54 degrees. Already you know very well formulas. Here, right hand side, see, sine 18 degrees formula. How much? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. 2 divided by root 5 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 divided by sine 54 degrees value. How much, students? That is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now denominator 4 is going to numerator. 4 2s are 8. 8 take common. Remaining 1 by root 5 minus 1 minus 1 by root 5 plus 1. So here take the LCM. In the denominator, root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1. A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. And here will come root 5 plus 1 minus. Here will come root 5 minus 1. Students, calculate this. Calculate this. What happened? 8 into here minus root 5 plus root 5 cancel. 1 minus of minus. That is plus 1. Overall 2 divided by 5 minus 1, 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 4 is the answer. Students, which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. And see here, some formulas already written. Sine 7.5 degrees under root 4 minus root 6 minus root 2 by 2 root 2. That is equal to cos 82.5. Sine 18 degrees, cos 72 degrees, root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sine 22.5 degrees, cos 67.5 degrees, like that. So in our material, these formulas are there. So I will send the PDF now itself. So by heart that formulas. Okay, students. Now copy the solution. Copy the solution. So multiple and submultiple angles related. Chapter PDF. Now I will send within 1 minute. Okay. Jakiria, just now I will send. Just wait. Few seconds. Just wait few seconds. I will send the PDF. Multiple submultiple angles. Students, just now I send a multiple submultiple angle PDF. Each and every student, please download that. Okay, student, I am going to next problem. I think all of you completed now. Now time is less, so I cannot discuss the next problem. So after disconnecting, please join within 1 minute. Okay. I am expecting same strength. Now nearby 48 is their strength. I am expecting same strength. Okay. Right.